We have 3 awesome carts here. These are all 6 passengers. We've put a lot of accessories on these. Kind of want to go briefly into a little bit about what they have. Kind of like a level 1, level 2, level 3. They all feature roof lights, underbody lights. This one, the customer wanted to add some nice sound. The easiest way to do that with our Elite Sound Extreme. It's a 28-inch, 500 watts. That also gives us the zone control to where we can add the roof lights and the underbodies, and it's all controlled through a Bluetooth app. And if you actually want to come over here, I'll show you this. It's extremely easy to use. So this one I just named 6-passenger Kodiak. I click in there, switching through the different scenes. I can have all those preset. This is the patriotic red, white, and blue. I go back, now we're in flowing colors. You can do music modes. It's a really nice way to customize your cart to your wants. And you can also dim it if it's, you know, late at night and you don't want that light shining in your eyes. You have the ability to do that all through this app. So, once again, 28-inch sound bar, roof lights, underbody lights, and we can tie that in to the factory screen here, or you can simply just Bluetooth to the speaker itself. Moving on to the next one, this customer wanted the D6 Maverick, but this only comes with soundbar. This is factory from Evolution. The problem with this, passengers sitting back here have music just blaring right in their ears, to where if you're in the front, you don't get that ambient sound. So with this, we added nice 5 1/4-inch speakers in the rear and the front up here, and they also wanted a little bit of bass. So we threw 2 6.5-inch subwoofers, actually hid the marine grade amp and sub amp underneath there for a really clean install. This has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capable, but we actually did as a soundbar booster, so that eliminates the need. You actually get a cleaner signal and a lot louder sound, and you just connect to that module that we installed on there. Moving on to our crown jewel here. So this is what I would consider the top tier. Really can't add any more lights or audio, but this is a fantastic build. First thing you're going to notice when you walk around here, these are the Sound Extreme 6.5-inch speakers. Not only do they sound fantastic, but they once again will tie into that Sound Extreme module, so you have all zone control. We have these set up as multiple zones, the roof lights, your underbodies. Looking right here, we have a 10-inch subwoofer, marine grade box. The fit on that is fantastic, and I'll tell you what, that seat absolutely vibrates like crazy for an awesome little massage there. All the factory wiring in here remains the same. We take a lot of pride in our quality installs with hiding all the wires, making sure everything looks great. Now the one thing is, it's really nice to have all this bass on demand, but we put a nice little bass knob here. So if you're just cruising through the neighborhood, don't feel like waking up the neighborhood, you can simply turn that down to almost non-existent, easy to go. Moving to the back here, really proud of my guys' work on this one. So we have a 500 watt. This was running all of the speakers here. There's actually 2 more up at the very front, so a total of 8 speakers on this thing, plus the sound bar. But Nick, if you want to get a little shot in there, the wiring on this is immaculate. It's easily removable, and we did put this plate in here so that we can mount all of the electronics, not be drilling into anything. This is a really clean install. The customer that bought this one keeps pushing the limit, and we're more than happy to try to meet his needs. But this cart sounds amazing, and I can guarantee you won't hear anything like it. So make sure you check us out on Facebook, our website. We are going to be running some promotions coming up very shortly, or if you simply want a quote on how to take your cart to the next level, get a hold of us. Thank you.